Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here once more. So I'd made this street diorama with the cobbled road and pathway in my previous video. But looking at it, I thought, well, maybe there's a way I can enhance it, make it look a little bit better. So I've made this archway, which is very, very easy to make. Not too long a process to make something like that. So if you watch the rest of the video, I will explain exactly how I made it. Okay, so let's get on with the video and see how I did it. So I made this cobble street diorama, if you like, that I made in my previous video. So rather than make a new base, I thought I'd utilize this, and I want an archway set about there so that the tank is coming through the archway like that, and that will sit over the arch like that. So I've marked it out on 2.5mm cardboard. It needs to be quite substantial, quite thick card. So I've marked out the inside arch, and then added 1/2 inch, 12mm or so for the brickwork around the outside like that. So all I've got to do with this part is just cut out that archway like that, and then I've got another piece which is the same dimension, but that would include the keystone at the top there. So if I cut that out and then stick that on there, then that's going to sit proud, and I can put my grout all the way around there, and that will allow me to do the stonework around the edge of the arch. But that will make it level. So when that's done, then I can make a third arch like this, which will include all the stones that make up the arch. And I can do that from my center point before I cut it out. So I just mark up from the center line up to where the stones will be, cut that out, then stick that finally on the top so those stones will sit proud. Okay, all will become apparent when I actually do it, I suppose. So the first thing to do is cut all these out first of all, and then I'll come back and we'll do the next stage. So I cut out the shape of the arch on the first piece of big card, and then the second one I stuck on the top there, and then I've backed it with a piece of 1/2 inch polystyrene, and then stuck this border all the way around, which is the same height then as the cardboard that makes up the arch. So when I mix my grey grout, I'll mix some of that together and spread that all in that area there, and then all I've got to do is just draw my rule across there, which is the same height all the way across like that. Then when that's dry, I can mark out my random stones that the surround of the arch will be made from, and then finally stick on the third piece, which has got the separate stones cut out. I don't know if you can see those. Just a 45-degree cut one way and then cut the other. So they've got the stones cut out there, and I can put that on there and paint that a different color, and that will be it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do my grouting. Put the grout on, make it into what will look like stone, and then put the third piece of card on. Okay, so I'll do all that, come back and see what it looks like then. Okay, so I spread my grey grout in that shuttered area, waited for about an hour, and then marked out all the individual stones. Best to leave that overnight for it to dry properly, and then I put a lighter coloured grout in between, and just sponged off with like a washing up sponge, just to take off the surface, and that leaves the grout between the bricks. I used some of the waste of the polystyrene to make ramparts. I thought that made it look a little bit better. Just stuck those on top, and then finally the arch itself, that third piece of card that I marked out. Okay, I think that's worked out reasonably well. That looks okay. So with that, like that, and then whatever vehicle you want to show off, I think that looks like a reasonable way of showing off any vehicle that have just made. Okay, there we go. Thank you very much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. I'd appreciate it more if you subscribe to the channel. That would help me enormously. If you subscribe and click the like button and even the share button. And if you click the all button, you'll be informed when new videos come along. I appreciate they're not quite as forthcoming as they used to be, but whenever I get a decent idea, then I will try to make a video and post it for you. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, it's bye for now.